This design uses an Arduino Nano, the brain of the build, a 16x2 LCD display, a 5K potentiometer, and a flame sensor module. First, we put all the components on a breadboard. Then, we wire the flame sensor module to the Arduino. And finally, we wire the LCD display to the Arduino according to the schematic. When a flame is present, the sensor picks up a specific wavelength of light and tells the Arduino to change what's on the display. You can find a parts list and all the code I used in the description. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe. It really does help me out. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.